Welcome to our hands-on DevOps training. Let's gain some practical skills today. In this practical exercise, you will gain hands-on experience in integrating Slack channel into your Groovy pipelines. Here are the steps that we will take in order to achieve Slack integration. We will launch a Jenkins in a Docker container. We will apply a Jenkins app for the Slack workspace. We will install Slack plugin in Jenkins. We will then continue and will configure the Slack plugin in Jenkins. Then in the final step, we will build a pipeline that includes sending messages to Slack. But first, let's launch our Jenkins. Docker run, but in my case, it's already running, so we can watch it. Docker PS. Let's go to Slack integration, and we choose Jenkins CI. Let's go back. We will add it to our environment workspace and to Slack. And we're gonna post it to a default channel. So we choose here Jenkins. You can create your own channel on your Slack workspace. And here we have the setup instructions. So if we follow down, we have the manage plugin. First, we asked to install the Slack notification. So once we go to our Jenkins, we can go here to manage Jenkins, plugin manager, install plugin, and I already installed the Slack notification. Otherwise, you'll find it under the available plugin. Then once you install the plugin, then you have to configure it in your system. So you go to manage Jenkins, configure system, search for Slack, and we're gonna define it. So we go here to manage Jenkins, configure system, and go to down here, we have Slack. The workspace will be our top 10 DevOps. And then we create the integration token as a secret text. Say here, Jenkins, secret text, and paste it and call it Slack. Add, choose it, test the connection, success. Let's save it. Let's back here to the instruction. Now we're going to create our pipeline. So here is our dashboard. Let's create new item. My first pipeline Slack. Let's create it as a pipeline. And I created a gist for the pipeline. So you can find below my video in the description all the relevant links and the commands for that session. So we're going to copy the pipeline. Here we have just one block of stage, which is a clone for hello world. And we run it on any agent. And the post success that to send a Slack send message to our Slack channel. So once I copy it, let's go here, let's paste it, save it. Let's build it now. Let's check the logs. So here we clone our hello world. The message already sent. Let's go to our Slack. So first we can see our integration that we created and the message that we got from our Jenkins. Great. So subscribe to stay in touch and receive updates on valuable hands-on set skills. Hope to see you in the next session.